nephews and nieces when we did the Orbeez, because my sister literally I gave them to her as a present with a little bow on it, and she made it into an explosion. Like, she put red dye and stuff in it. And also when we made the water crystals, that was the same day.
That even now that we're not like together, and we can still like do the projects, and then our teachers can still help you, kind of like we're all together.
Now you put the refreshing inside the gloves, and we put it somewhere that is sunny.
Making the desalination plant.
It's hard to decide. I think it was the catapult airplane. The catapult.
Did yours go far?
It couldn't went far. I didn't put that much power in it because my cat was in the room and he was following the airplane.
Oh.